Hurry up and get into number one. Number one, do not need an introduction. This apartment is not only to house art, this apartment, it is art. Check it out.
Let's begin in the elegant powder room. The powder room is subtle yet sophisticated, setting the tone for what's to come, featuring Hone Agora black Turkish marble countertops with integrated sinks and aqua brass fittings and polished nickels. From there, we move into the expansive living and dining area. This unit is an extravagant 4,100 square foot condo that makes you feel like you're living in an art gallery, where light pours in and the energy of Turtle Bay posted just outside your windows. You can feel the vibrancy. This is classic Midtown luxury with contemporary edge. You get a downtown layout with Midtown at your doorsteps. The developer's a genius for this one. But let's step into the chef's kitchen. The chef's kitchen is a true masterpiece by Forster & Partners. You have white oak cabinetry with integrated bronze detail pulls, cabinet-fronted Gaggenau appliances, and a brushed stainless steel knife edge countertop and backsplash. Everything is intentional down to the embedded ventilation and soft LED lighting. Right off the kitchen, we have a versatile room. This room is perfect for wherever you need it to be. You can use it as a study room, guest room, or intimate lounge. Next, as we pass through the kitchen, we're going to see the first of two primary suites. First up is the walk-in closet. Roomy, refined, and perfectly suited for city living. And now, we arrive at the luxurious, spa-inspired en-suite bathroom. You have radiant heated concrete floors underfoot, a white oak vanity topped with silver striato travertine slab and integrated sink. It's the kind of bathroom that makes everyday rituals feel like a retreat. Let's check out the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom have expansive windows that invite the skyline in, wrapping the room in natural light and serenity, creating a peaceful escape high above the city, enhancing the clean design and open layout with depth, brightness, and a constant sense of movement. Now, let's make our way back through the great room as we come up on the second primary suite. You can never underestimate the value of a well-designed walk-in closet. It adds ease, elegance, and a touch of everyday luxury. I feel like walk-in closets make your morning better, but maybe it's just me. And a mirror inside the walk-in closet, extra bonus. The secondary primary bedroom continues the theme of the first one, with oversized windows, open air, and that sense of effortless space that's so rare in Midtown. And the second full en-suite bathroom mirrors the elegance of the first as well, complete with a freestanding Apaiza soaking tub, a private water closet with a Toto Neo rest, and aqua brass fixtures throughout. It's not just a bathroom, it's a statement. I don't really have favorites, but this unit was one of my favorites. I absolutely love this unit. You guys let me know what you think about it, and I'll see you on the next one.